Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Excel. We will explore their fundamental differences, helping you decide which tool best suits your needs. Notion serves as a versatile workspace for notes, tasks, and project management, offering a flexible canvas for information. Excel, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for numerical data, calculations, and detailed financial analysis. Understanding their core purposes is the first step in leveraging their unique strengths effectively. Let's delve into how these tools manage data. Notion employs a block-based system, allowing you to embed various content types like text, images, and databases within a single page. Its databases offer highly customizable properties and views, such as Kanban boards or calendars. Excel, conversely, structures data in a traditional grid of rows and columns, optimized for tabular information, and offering hundreds of powerful functions for manipulation and analysis. Collaboration is key in modern workflows. Notion truly shines here, enabling real-time co-editing, comments, and mentions, making it excellent for team projects and shared knowledge bases. While Excel also offers co-authoring, especially in its cloud versions, Notion's integrated approach often feels more seamless for diverse content. Both tools provide integration capabilities, with Notion leveraging its API for many third-party apps, and Excel deeply integrating with the Microsoft Office suite. So, when should you choose each? Notion is your go-to for personal organization, team wikis, content creation, and flexible project tracking, offering dozens of templates to get started. It's an all-in-one solution for information management. Excel remains indispensable for accounting, complex budgeting, scientific data analysis, and any task requiring robust numerical computation and advanced charting. It provides unparalleled power for number crunching and detailed reporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.